As the damage caused by intensive meat farming becomes more apparent, farmers are even encroaching into a natural wonder that plays a vital role in protecting our planet. The Amazon rainforest is known as the lungs of the Earth. Its trees store huge amounts of carbon, helping to keep the entire planet cool. This precious ecosystem also influences weather patterns across the globe. But Brazil, home to 60% of this rainforest, is now also home to more cattle than any other country on Earth. Over 200 million of them. It's the world's biggest exporter of beef, and it transports thousands of tons to the UK every year. As farmers seek out more land to graze their cattle, they're heading even further into the Amazon. Adriana Charu works for Greenpeace. She's fighting to save the rainforest. To show me the damage taking place, she's giving me an aerial view. Very soon, I see the impact for myself.
There's no forest here. It just looks like farmland. How much of all of this cleared land used to be rainforest?
Everything was Amazon here. Cattle is the main driver of deforestation in the Amazon.
When I heard about deforestation years ago, I always thought it was logging for timber. But you're telling me that cattle grazing is the biggest driver of deforestation, not logging.
No doubt.
It's like flying over the British countryside, and we are in the middle of the Amazon. Look at all this cattle, look, cattle everywhere.
The cattle is eating the forest, literally, you know?
Much of the Amazon is unowned land. Farmers claim a patch, slash and burn it, graze their cattle on it, and then sell the land for profit. What they're doing is often illegal, but this dense forest, the size of Western Europe, is incredibly difficult to police.
How much of the Amazon has been scarred by all of this cattle ranching?
We already lost almost 20% of the Amazon. And without the Amazon forest, the life of human beings are under threat in this world.
Destroying the forest releases vast amounts of carbon back into the atmosphere, resulting in the warming of our planet. The destruction of the Amazon affects us all.